Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to directly install Delta Executor 2.690 on iOS for Roblox No Computer, No Complicated Setup, and it's currently undetected. Let's get started. First, open Safari and go to applejr.xyz. Scroll down until you find the latest update for Delta Executor section. Tap on the Install button to get the direct install link. You can use link 1 or link 2. Then click Install again. Wait a few moments while the profile begins to download. Once installation completed, if you get an untrusted developer, verify the Delta Executor first. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Then go to General. Hit VPN and Device Management. Then tap Trust and confirm to verify Delta Executor. Now the app is ready to launch. You can now open and play Delta Executor. As you can see, I have successfully installed Delta Executor version 2.690 is running on Roblox Mobile. Scripts are executing smoothly with no lag. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.